Bonjour, how are you doing? You think it's a video on passé composé? Yes, you are correct. It's a video on passé composé. Vous avez raison. It's a video on passé composé at last. You have been asking me for a long time to make a video on passé composé, but I actually wanted to cover some more basic things in my channel before I touch on passé composé, because a greater part of my viewers are just beginning to learn French, and I am making videos for all grades and standards, keeping in mind what can make your French learning a happy and fun experience. Because when I hear that my videos are helping my students to learn French grammar quickly when they are on a go or they are in a hurry, it feels good. What I am trying here is to make French learning a fun experience for all of you. A happy learning for all. So let's make it easy. La langue française, c'est très facile. I am self-quarantined at my home back in West Bengal. We came back just when the work from home was declared. I am taking online classes, and finally today I am back with a new video for you. However, let's learn passé composé. Je lis un livre, which is in present tense, which means I read a book or I am reading a book. Present means simple present or present continuous in English. You may press on this I button to check out my video on present tense before you go for passé composé. In this video, we are going to learn the passé composé for two groups of verbs, first group and second group. Premier et deuxième groupe du verbe. If you do not know the verb groups, here's a link for you. You must know that passé composé means simple past or present perfect. For example, j'ai chanté une chanson, which means I sang a song or I have sung a song. The syntax for conjugating in passé composé is avoir/être plus participe passé. In most cases, it is avoir plus participe passé. Let's get into it. Step 1 is how to make participe passé, that is past participle in English. And second step is all about conjugating a verb in passé composé. Step 1. What's participe passé or past participle? The third form of a verb. For example, to know, knew, known. The third form, known, is the past participle of this verb. We must know how to make participe passé if we want to learn how to conjugate in passé composé. See, this one is chanter from premier group, which means to sing, and this one is finir from second group, deuxième group, which means to finish. ER will be replaced by E accent aigu. Chanter will become chanter. The pronunciation remains the same, and finir, ER, will become E, removing the final R, and finir becomes fini in past participle. Now, for third group verbs, I have to show you a list of verbs. Here is a list of very basic third group verbs and their past participles. If you can memorize this small list, you can make the past participle of any third group verb. See, some verbs take you to form their past participle. Like attendre means to wait, and attendu means waited. Hold on, this is going to be long. I will tell all the meanings of these third group verbs and their past participles. You know, we all are in quarantine. Just take a pen and a notebook, call me an old school, and start noting down the meanings of the verbs.
Attendre, attendu. To wait, waited. Boire, to drink. Bu, drunk. Connaître, to know. Connu, known. Courir, to run. Couru, run. Descendre, to get down. Descendu, got down. Devoir, to have to, must. Dû. Entendre, to hear. Entendu, heard. Falloir, to be necessary to. Fallu, lead, to read. Lu, read. Pouvoir, to be able to. Pu, paraître, to appear, to seem. Paru, seemed or appeared. Plaire, to please. Plu, pleased. Répondre, to reply, to answer. Répondu, answered, replied. Recevoir, to receive. Reçu, received. Savoir, to know. Su, known. Se taire, to shut one's mouth. Se tu, tendre, to stretch. Tendu, stretched. Tenir, to hold. Tenu, hold. Voir, to see. Vu, seen. Vouloir, to want to. Voulu, wanted. Vendre, to buy. Vendu, bought. Vivre, to live. Vécu, lived. Cueillir, to collect. Cueilli, collected. Dormir, to sleep. Dormi, slept. Partir, to depart. To leave. Parti, departed or left. Rire, to laugh. Rit, laughed. Sentir, to smell. Senti, smelled. Sortir, to get out. Sorti, got out. Servir, to serve. Servi, served. Suivre, to follow. Suivi, followed. Naître, to be born. Né. S'asseoir, to be seated. S'assis. Mettre, to put. Mis, put. Prendre, to take. Pris, taken. Couvrir, to cover. Couvert, covered. Conduire, to lead, to conduct. Conduit, led, conducted. Dire, to say. Dit, said. Écrire, to write. Écrit, written. Faire, to do, to make, to create, to play. Fait, done, created, played, made, built. Mourir, to die. Meurt, died. Ouvrir, to open. Ouvert, opened.
Step 2. Do you know avoir verb, which means to have? Wait, let me tell. Repeat after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Know how to make past participles of all three groups of verbs. Now let's take an example of a sentence conjugated in passé composé. Elle a chanté une chanson. Here's the syntax for passé composé. Avoir/être plus participe passé. In this video, I will only discuss about avoir, and on the second part, I will come back with être. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest videos from my channel. Watch till the end of this video and nothing else. Let's continue. Avoir plus participe passé, right? Let's conjugate chanter from first group and finir from second group. I am taking all the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. I am conjugating avoir verb. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now just put the participe passé beside your conjugated avoir verb. The participe passé beside avoir verb. You know how to make participe passé E accent aigu for first group verbs and E for second group verbs. And for third group verbs, I have given you a list. J'ai chanté, tu as chanté, il a chanté, elle a chanté, nous avons chanté, vous avez chanté, ils ont chanté, elles ont chanté. J'ai fini, tu as fini, il a fini, elle a fini, nous avons fini, vous avez fini, ils ont fini, elles ont fini. J'ai chanté means I sang or I have sung. Simple past or present perfect. Tu as chanté means you sang or you have sung. In the same way, j'ai fini means I finished or I have finished. Simple past or present perfect. Tu as fini means you finished or you have finished. Il a fini means he finished or he has finished. Elle a fini means she finished or she has finished, and so on. Now if you take any third group verb, for example attendre, to wait, and voir, to see, I have conjugated avoir verb at first and then I have put the participe passé of the concerned verbs, that is attendu and vu. Attendu means waited and vu means seen. J'ai attendu means I have waited or I waited. Tu as attendu means you waited or you have waited. And as for voir, j'ai vu means I have seen or I saw. Tu as vu means you saw or you have seen. And so on. You know how to conjugate in passé composé using a verb. Most of the verbs will be conjugated in the same way, but there's a lot more to tell about passé composé. You have to wait a little bit more so that I can make the second part of this video where I will tell where to use être instead of avoir. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe. When the video gets over and you click subscribe, the fairies come and they hit the bell button for me. Get the sound, get the sound, I get the sound. You don't? Hey, tell you something. Subscribe. It's free.